Mato Grosso is not just a state, it's a continent inside Brazil. The Pantanal, the largest tropical wetland on Earth, holds one of the highest concentrations of wildlife in South America. Mato Grosso is the only Brazilian state where the Amazon rainforest, the Cerrado savanna, and the Pantanal wetlands collide. Chapada dos Guimarães reveals ancient sandstone cliffs and breathtaking waterfalls carved over millions of years. Mato Grosso is Brazil's leading producer of soybeans and one of the world's largest agricultural regions. Mato Grosso, nature or power?